everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Yvonne Boulevard. If you're new here, to my returning subscribers, thank y'all for returning back to view this video. Thank you so much. Today is September the 17th. It's a lovely Tuesday. It's been a gloomy day all day. Actually, last night it started raining, and it rained all the way up until I believe 1 p.m. today. And now the rain has stopped, and it's just cloudy outside, real loud. The roads are probably still slippery and all that stuff, but it's just been a gloomy day. We are getting to fall. Today really feels like fall, and I'm just loving it. Summer is over. I remember a few years back, around this time, it was still hot like summertime, but I'm glad that today is a fall day. It's fall weather. The weather is cool. I do not have to turn on my AC. Like, my house done cooled down because this house of mine loves to hold heat. So we constantly have the AC running, but the AC is off today. I got the window open, got some airflow going through the house. Love that natural air. I repotted my Monstera plant that I'm currently growing. So I showed y'all a little clip of that, had it in the window. I'm training my Monstera plant to grow bigger, and you need to switch, plant pots to get your plant to grow bigger. But let me take that necessarily, because I've seen some people grow some huge plants in medium-sized planters. So I take that. Monstera plant will tell you when it needs water, because the leaves will look downward, some of them will look upward, some of them will fold in. Like, that's your Monstera plant talking to you, like, I need water, or I need a little bit of indirect sunlight. Alexa, what time is it?
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little.
I don't understand why my internet connection always want to act up.
Having trouble understanding.
Okay. Alexa, what time is it?
I'm having trouble connecting.
Okay.
Alexa, what time is it? It's 3:49 p.m. y'all. So it seemed like half of this day has slipped away a little bit from me. But I wanted to get into my planner and put some stickers in my planner using my plant stickers that I purchased recently off of Temu. Yeah. Let me tell y'all, when it was recently raining, I should have been collecting rainwater for my plants, because the best water for plants is rainwater. Rainwater provides all the nutrients and vitamins that plants need. So if it rains again tonight, I'm most definitely going outside to collect some rainwater. And I have like a water pitcher that I keep water in for my house plants. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh, I wanted to tell y'all the other day when I was at Five Below, the plant section. So in my vlog, I showed y'all the plant section. So those plants to me looked realistic. I want to use some artificial plants for my bathroom, although real plants are the best plants to put in the bathroom because they survive. Like, I can put me a snake plant in my bathroom. I can put a fiddle fig tree. I can put my Monstera plant. There's so many different plants that I can put in my bathroom. I also have my pothos plant in my bathroom as well, above my shower. So I'm just thinking later on, I want to turn my bathroom into a greenhouse, literally, and also get some plant wallpaper for my bathroom. Now I'm trying to debate if I'm going to decorate my bathroom with some floral wallpaper or palm trees wallpaper or Monstera print wallpaper, something like that. So I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. I know that I want my bathroom wallpaper to be green, like with green leaves, because I love leaves. But I do not want to decorate my whole bathroom with wallpaper, just one wall. I'm just trying to decide. I'm really trying to decide. I love plants and I want plants in my shower. Then another thing I was looking into is some red spiral stairs. I'm thinking about getting some stairs installed in my home because it's stylish, it's beautiful. Hey y'all, I've decided to take me a late in the evening nap because my body was telling me, girl, you need to lay down. Like, just lay down. Lay down. And when I wake up, I'm gonna watch some TV and just probably stay in bed. But I know I need to get up later and take my late in the evening walk. Not too late in the evening walk, but take me a long walk because I need my exercise. And I will pick y'all back up in a little while. I don't think I'm gonna get back out of bed. It's already been a long week and we already on Tuesday. Yeah, I think for now I'm gonna get myself some rest and stay in bed, and I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I will see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, because I'm not going nowhere. Let me just be honest. I am not going anywhere. And I'm about to rest and wake up tomorrow, and I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next daily vlog. I will talk to y'all then. Y'all take care. And as for me, I'm about to take my butt to sleep, so I'm gonna say good night.